Mid-80s, India. An industrial tide was turning. The footwear sector needed skilled talent. Sensing this, the Ministry of Commerce and Industry planted the first seed to provide policy and institutional support to the footwear sector. The inception of the Footwear Design and Development Institute (FDDI) in 1986. The vision was set in motion with Mr. Premnath Seth appointed as the first chairman. By 1992, FDDI launched short-term courses in design and production. Global faculty brought world-class curricula to Indian classrooms. And in 1995, that journey found a home. The Noida campus, a 10-acre landmark of vision and design. From then on, the institute began training its faculty across the globe through its faculty development programs. By 2001, FDDI launched UG and PG programs in footwear management with an academic tie-up with Delhi University's Faculty of Management Studies. Soon, FDDI began offering consultancy in design, productivity and operational excellence for industry leaders like Red Tape, Tata International and more. From 2003 onwards, FDDI started providing consultancy to countries like Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, Indonesia and more. As India's demand for professionals in the relevant fields grew, FDDI recognized its responsibility and expanded rapidly between 2007 and 2018, establishing 11 more campuses across the country, bringing world-class training closer to aspiring students across India. FDDI also launched 3 new schools: School of Fashion Design, School of Retail Management, and the School of Leather Lifestyle Products. FDDI's mission was never limited to students. Through initiatives like SMART, FDDI provided skill development to artisans across India. And then came the biggest moment. The Government of India declared FDDI an institution of national importance in 2017. Even in times of pandemic, FDDI adapted and evolved. In the most difficult time, the institute swiftly pivoted during the COVID-19, launching virtual classrooms, immersive digital labs, and online showcases. Against all odds, FDDI emerged stronger. Its name now honored with prestigious awards. Simultaneously, its global alliances deepened, forging academic partnerships across the University of Northampton, UK, ARS Sutoria, Italy, institutions in Sri Lanka and leading Indian universities. And the outcomes speak volumes. From students clinching national and international design accolades to alumni now shaping the global fashion and retail landscape in brands like Adidas, Zara, Puma, H&M, Bata and more. To anchor further innovation, FDDI established Centers of Excellence in 2023 under DPIIT's IFLADP scheme. Each one is a hub of specialized breakthroughs. FDDI's international training centers in Noida, Chennai and Hyderabad ensure quality standards. In 2024, FDDI launched the Non-Leather Training Initiative, empowering youth with eco-conscious skills and catering to the requirement of the industry. FDDI means business through its motto Empowering Today, Transforming Tomorrow. It seeks to empower students, the industry and the nation's economy.